The Rise-It system is a great seller for us. With outdoor tiles being so popular nowadays, this is the Pedestal system I truly recommend.
When installing the porcelain paver system, it's important to have a rubber element in your pedestal to reduce noise.
Using Rise-It helps absorb sound and vibration. It really makes a dramatic difference. The Rise-It system really sells itself once you show the customer how user-friendly it is.
Within 15 minutes, I was able to teach everybody on site how to use this product.
Anyone can use Rise-Its, from your do-it-yourselfer to your contractor to residential and commercial use.
Rise-It is 100% recycled, so it's good for any commercial project looking to achieve Green Star credits.
High-end porcelain tiles need a Pedestal system. This is my go-to system.
It's the perfect product for any porcelain paver install. It's simple to use and cost-effective.
You can't beat the price point or quality with any other system.